What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Meli. I'd love to have you subscribe, and you can follow me on my social media down below. And today I have the Ipsy Glam bag and Glam bag plus unbagging for you guys. First, I wanted to show you guys some of the products that they sent me. I don't know if they're gonna have this available on their website, but I thought that this was so cute. It's a little water jug, but it's made out of ceramic. And they also sent me this little notebook called Dream It, and it's from Ipsy as well. So hopefully they will have these up on their website. If you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know down below, things you would like to see more of, either here or on my Spanish YouTube. If you guys don't know, I do have a Spanish dedicated YouTube channel. You can find it on my main page, or down below there is a link. So let me know and I will start writing them in that little notebook. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in first with the Glam bag. This is the little $12 bag, and as you can see, this theme is dream, and it has the word dream all over it in little stars, and it's just a see-through bag, and it has a little round circle here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I know that it comes with 4 to 5 products. This month I only got 4. Oh, this month I only got 4 in the bag. So the first thing in here is the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. I actually already own some of these and I really enjoy the formula. It is mattifying, so you do have to wear a lip balm if you're not into really super matte stuff. What I do is wear a lip balm underneath them. And this is actually one of their most popular shades, one of their most popular shades, which is Patina. And oh, she is pretty. That is such a pretty, beautiful rose. It's kind of like a rose, but it's a more like a neutral kind of rose. I love that. That's beautiful. That's a all like everyday color. Now I understand why it's so popular. Next thing in here is the Origins Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. This, okay, those words are super tiny. It does not say what it's for, and sadly, I don't know why Ipsy now has everything's online in these cards. So you get a little card in here, but it basically tells you to, you know, just basically to share online and stuff like that. I wish they had the old school cards with the how much it is or what it's used for. I'm thinking that this is used for more oily skin, if I'm not mistaken, but I do love Origins skincare. Next thing in here is the Cover FX Soleil. Oh no, that's the name of the shade. So this is the Shimmer Veil, and this is in the shade Soleil. Ooh, that's pretty. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful, especially if you're somebody who just wants a pop in the inner corner, or you could use this as the inner, you know, your inner lid to really open up your eyes. That's just a absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous shade. And then the fourth thing and last thing in the little bag is by, I want to say it's called Uma Beauty. This is at Ulta, and I have been dying to try their brand. This is a mascara and it's called Drama Bomb, and that is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Wow, that wand, I don't know, it looks a little too big for my eye, but Mama's gonna play with it at some point and test it out, because I have been dying to test out something from them. So that is everything that is in the $12 Glam bag. And now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Glam bag plus. Look how cute, same theme, dream. And these are really, really cute. I've been finding different purposes for them around the house. One of them I even used to put all these, you know, when you have all these weird cables and you don't know what to do with them, I closed them up in one of these bags and stored it underneath a cabinet. But I thought that that was very useful. So you can find different kind of purposes for those bags sometimes. Okay, so the first thing in here that I see is this Cella Creme Violette. This is a soothing hand and body butter with lavender and oatmeal. And I think I've tried this brand before and really enjoyed it. I think I tried a rose one, which I actually have in my bathroom. So we're just going to pop some out and see what this smells like. Yeah, it really has that really strong lavender smell, which I like. I will definitely pop this in my purse or in my car because lately it's been kind of chilly here in Florida. We have bipolar weather sometimes, and lately it's been kind of chilly. So this will be perfect for my hands because lately my cuticles have been so freaking dry. I've been putting oil on them like crazy and still they have been dry. Next thing in here is the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. This is like a mini version, so I'm not sure what this is about. So it says take the today off. It's a non-foaming cream cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens the skin. And this is a mini baby version. So is this, I don't know. It didn't come inside the Glam bag, but that makes me curious if it's supposed to go there. And then next thing in here is the Makai and Akai Prickly Pear Goji. This is a glow oil, a facial oil by Youth to the People. This is another little mini. So this month I got 2 minis in my Glam bag. That is kind of weird. But I will definitely try this oil out. I have heard so many great things about Youth to the People. It doesn't have any kind of smell to it, which is nice because sometimes some oils be smelling funky. But those are 2 skincare products. Let's see what else is in here. Next thing in here is the Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. And I don't know, there's something about Wander Beauty that I absolutely love. Every product that I've tried from them, I just really like that most of their products are very glowy and just beautiful. Okay. So it says a luxurious lip loving treatment oil with the shine of a gloss. This is what it looks like. It looks very similar to their mascara. Oh, and it's clear. So, God, I don't want to get it dirty. It doesn't have a smell to it. Let's go ahead and just swatch it. Yeah, so it's just, oh, that is very glossy. I would definitely use this on its own. But yes, yes for that gloss. Ooh, and then the next thing in here is, okay. Okay, it broke open. So this is what, I guess it's supposed to be shut like this. And then what's in here are brushes. Oh, these look beautiful. Look at that handle. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pop these in a giveaway. I have like 2 drawers full of stuff to start doing giveaways. I need to actually like sit down and take pictures and do giveaways for you guys, either here on the channel or on my Instagram. But these are beautiful. So I'm not gonna touch these. These are gorgeous. I probably won't put them in here since this thing is broken, but I will put them just, you know, laying on a giveaway. So those are beautiful from LaRousse. And then what else is here? Okay, last thing in here is by Pixie by Petra. This is the Nuance Quartet, and this is absolutely gorgeous. This is called Sugar Blossom. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. You know what? I am not going to touch this because I am really cutting down this year. I've started the year doing a little bit of a declutter and I have way too many face products. So I'm going to put that bad boy in a giveaway as well for you guys. So definitely watch either on my Instagram or around here, just randomly. I'll probably say it in my next video or something. Anyway, so that is all. Let me know what you guys thought. I thought that this month was nice. I think the Glam bag is really interesting because it has a lot of good variety, especially the Stila and the Cover FX and the Uma Beauty. As far as the Glam Bag Plus, the brushes look amazing. So does the Pixie and the Wander Beauty. The 2 little ones, I'm not, it's kind of weird because they usually have full size products. But definitely stick around on my channel and subscribe if you want to see also my not PR. I will have that on later on in the month whenever I get my own bag. I do a not PR unbagging from you guys, and just by looking at the stuff that I got here, I can definitely tell you that my bag is going to be totally different than this. And also I will be sharing on my social media, so definitely follow me down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.